What's up, Brite Nation? So yesterday, Brittany called us and said, hey, some idiot is bringing his Ferrari up, or as she calls it, a Ferrari, up to the shop for us to do some work on.
So we told her, tell the idiot to come and bring it up.
And here it is. So I know it doesn't have big tires on it, but it does make a lot of horsepower. And I like to work on things with a lot of horsepower. Let's get this thing in the shop and we'll show you what we're gonna do today. So this is a 2010 Ferrari 458. Brittany told me to give it the white glove treatment because it's a special customer. But I don't have white gloves, all I have is white socks. So we'll give it the white sock treatment. Look at that baby purr. So Ferraris have, and Lamborghinis, have a front lift so that you can get in and out of driveways because these things like to drive really low. So you hit the button in the center console and the front end goes up.
Two.
Yeah, trying to get out of the skateboard.
So we had to drive her up on some blocks, use the front airlift to get the two post underneath. But we got her underneath there. Now we just gotta get it up in the air. Woo, look how sexy. Carbon ceramic brakes. I mean, you can't get any more awesomer than this thing. Yep, so let's talk about what we're gonna do to this thing. Now that we got old girl in the air.
We're gonna show you guys what we're doing.
Yeah. Check this stuff out. So this is a Klein exhaust system for the 458, minus the headers. The reason being, this car already has headers in it. And what makes this exhaust so special and so expensive is that you would think it was made of stainless, but it is not a stainless steel exhaust. It is an Inconel exhaust. This whole exhaust system is made of Inconel. And the cool thing about Inconel is it doesn't corrode like stainless. It doesn't crack and get brittle like steel or stainless with temperature. It's lighter than titanium. I wish I had a titanium part, but I can't explain to you how absolutely light this part is. Like,
It's super light.
These downpipes are like, they're feather light. It's incredible how thin you can make things out of Inconel. The other cool part that I know of is that Inconel, when it gets hot, it can deform. But as soon as it cools, it goes right back to where it was. F1 uses this on their exhausts. NASA uses these on the space shuttle. NASA makes Inconel bolts that hold the paneling to the bottom of the space shuttle. It's wicked cool. This stuff is super expensive, really awesome. And the exhaust note that this thing is gonna make, I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be crazy, and hopefully this guy's super excited about it. Should sound like an F1 car when it's done. So that's exciting, but let's show you what it's gonna take to get it into this thing. So typical cars, you can usually see what's underneath, but it's a Ferrari, and of course it has an entire belly pan with these cool little ducts in it. I don't know what these ones specifically go to, but they do something. They even have them in the side skirt. There's little ones in the side skirt. They must go to the wheels or to the brakes or something. This one goes to the brakes and the wheel. You can see, you can almost see it goes up. Yeah, you can see through it goes up there somewhere.
What's this for?
What do you got? So that might be a little, this is an overflow or a drain maybe for the transmission. Like a transmission overflow drain. That might be for the, I don't know, something. But it's a rear wheel drive car, so everything happens in here. So hopefully we just have to take this whole diffuser off. We might just be able to drop this pan down and the exhaust is all right in here. So we're gonna get rid of this two-hole exhaust here And all the mufflers and stuff run right here. But the new one, as you can see, oh yeah, they run that way too. So they should run right down through here. So let's get this bottom lower balance off of here and see what we can do. Oh, we gotta get rid of this. This has gotta go. This has gotta go. So this is what we're gonna take out today. We're gonna get rid of this muffler with that crossover tube, these two tailpipes, these two downpipes, that's what they call them, but it looks like I'm gonna have to dig up even farther. I'm probably gonna have to take this front wheel well out to get to it. I don't think pulling this down any farther is gonna get me anything, so I'm gonna have to take that wheel well liner out and the one on the other side to get the two downpipes out. Shouldn't be too bad. That's what the butt of a Ferrari looks like underneath. Let me get these wheels off and I'll see if I can pull that inner panel out. So now that we got the Ferrari completely torn apart, had to pull the wheel well liners, both of them, because this one overlapped this one. Go figure. All so I can get to that V-band clamp. So as you can see, it's already got headers in it and cats. So now that we had to take the rear bumper off because we got to get to this plate. We got to take this plate off. It's honestly a lot easier than it looks. It wasn't too bad. Yep, V-band. I got to get that V-band off. There's 2 bolts up at the top for the hanger, and then a couple of bolts for this guy. And we have to take this. This is pretty cheesy. I don't even know what this is. This is pretty. Oh my God. I broke a nail. Oh, damn it. Yep. So we got to pull this off too.
Sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Forget yesterday. Unknown destination.
Mufflers are out. Now all we got to do is take these O2 sensors out. I'll do those while they're still in there. It'll be a little bit easier because I don't know where they unplug. That's just a 22 mil and should be coming out pretty easy. The 2 of these. So get a 22 in there and get them out.
Wow.
Voila. Okay, that one's loose. Let's pop the other one. Yeah. Nice. We should just find the other end of this, guys, right here. Oh, good, 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 good. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah. Yep. Sweet. How do they look? Pretty good. So we got all apart and we ran into an issue. That's the bellow inside the driver's side header. And as you can see, it's a little blown out. So it goes in that guy right there. I guess I'm gonna have to pull that header and cut all that stuff out of the inside of that, because I don't know what else to do. Wah, wah. Now I gotta cut all that out. Shit. All right, so we managed to find a bellow. I gotta cut these ends off because I only need that bellow. It's the same size, it's perfect. So what we did is we bolted it down to the fab table. We made this cool little adapter to pick up this V-band. I'm gonna weld this together real quick. And then we can cut this off and I can set this guy back in here and it'll be exactly where it's supposed to be. Now we just cut it off.
Hi-ya.
Karate chopper! She's in there good, boys. Oh, that's good. And undo the muffler or the man with the header because it's a little bit more dialed in. Holy moly.
Show it to me. How bad is it?
It like folded itself in half in there. Look at that. It like folded itself up. It twisted itself. I don't know. I don't get it.
It's fucked up, that's for sure.
I've never seen one come apart like this. Yeah, no, it ain't. That's boogered. All right, well now we'll just cut it off right here and then we'll feed it back until we can get enough of it off. That is incredible. Well, let's get the cut. Good enough. There she is, all welded up. Just like it was on the table when we started. Should be an exact fit. Now I gotta go put it in. Now that it's daylight out, you can see how mangled and destroyed this bellow is on the inside. It like sucked it all out, which is why we had to replace it. That's an exhaust restriction right there. So now I got the new headers in, back got the controller put in. We got the muffler hung. Now all I have to do is put the downpipes in it.
All right, so we got the bumper back on. All we gotta do is plug a few things up on this little guy. What's that?
Mm-hmm. We'll slam a zip tie on this guy because I don't know why it was floppy like that, but we'll put a zip tie on it. What else? What do we got left?
Inner fenders. Just the one piece on each side.
Yeah.
Wheels and tires.
Oh yeah. And then the bellies.
I don't know what the heck that is. Is that a belly too?
Oh yeah, the rear belly. The rear belly. So we got the Ferrari on the ground. It was a little bit more involved than an easy exhaust swap like we were told.
Just took a little longer. A little more effort.
But she's all buttoned up, she's back on the ground. So the only thing left is, let's see what this exhaust sounds like, huh?
I got dibs.
This guy. Oh, I heard it. Inconel exhaust. Woo! That's what it's all about.
That is the most glorious noise I've ever heard from a vehicle.
It sounds like an F1 car downshifting. Upshifting. In general, it just sounds like an F1 car.
Crap. That is
Old
just,
F1 cars when they were really cool.
Yeah, not the
And they
new.
made noises.
Yeah, holy.
That's orgasmic.
Wow. That is the most amazing thing ever! Oh my god!
That sounds so good!
Oh my god. This is insane. Oh my god. I have no words.
Anyway, guys. Oh, hi, Brittany.
Oh, hi guys. Hello.
Hi, Joey! That sounds so sick!
Thing is awesome. And that wraps up this video of the Ferrari exhaust.
As always. Oh, sorry. It's your video. You do the closeout. I'm sorry.
As always, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share. And you can get all your Lite Brite merch and decals at
LiteBriteStudios.com.
Woo! Oh wait,
Huh?
who's the idiot that owns this Ferrari?
Oh yeah. Who is it?
Look, it's Christmas. What did I get for Christmas?
Anyways, guys, this has been great. And I thought he was chiming in.
Oh.
You're you! Perfect. The bird just chimed. Yeah. That's it.
That's it?